Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today I want to discuss to you about waste decomposer and the bacteria present inside. Again I tell you that these things number of farmers are asking to me every time, but it is available on the channel. If you see, my different scientists, well qualified, well trained scientists have already done that analysis, and they have shown the laboratory and how they have tested, what they have got. So they have already shown what are the bacteria present inside. So that I request the new viewers, please see that. I believe it is a lot of your videos are there. It is not possible to sort it out. But if you go in my channel, see the playlist. There I have already written bacteria present in the waste decomposer. So kindly again relook it. But even then, today I want to just inform you, all the bacteria which are known to us is present in the waste decomposer, liquid waste decomposer. And this has been already been tested by our renowned scientist institute ICR in 2018 in Medinipuram, and this is in Meerut, Modipuram, that is Meerut. So they have already tested it, and that report I am enclosing it. You can go through and see what they have got. Some of their finding I am just repeating it. Whatever they are able to do it, they have tested it. Some they are not able to do it, and some materials, chemicals was not present at that time, that was costly, so they are not able to do it all. And this bacteria product has been tested not only one place in Meerut, in UP, it is tested in different parts. They have a Bangalore lab, ICR Bangalore lab, Kolkata lab, the Uttarakhand lab. It is 4-6 places they have tested it. Then they have concluded and given this report. Report has been submitted by our director there, and that confirms. If you see the report, it is written total number of bacteria. Total number of bacteria means all. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, all the types of bacteria are present in the waste decomposer that they have shown it. Other important thing they have shown, they have confirmed it. Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria, we all know, it is a nitrogen fixing bacteria present in pulses and oil seed. Whatever the pulses, whatever the oil seed, if you break their seed and it breaks equally in two parts, that called our dicathlete seeds, and there it present the bacteria, mainly rhizobium bacteria. They have confirmed it. So rhizobium bacteria mainly for this only, and that is more powerful. And it is also I want to acknowledge that this rhizobium bacteria is very difficult to produce. Hardly 2% in India companies or institute are able to do it. I am talking about all, private, government, everywhere. It is very, very tough to maintain. You have to pay your full attention, just like your kids, you have to take care. Then only you are able to produce the rhizobium bacteria. Otherwise, impossible. So that bacteria is present here. Why it is so powerful? Why I am telling this? Because it fixes the nitrogen, minimum 50 kilo nitrogen per hectare to 300 kg nitrogen per hectare. Depends upon the crop. 50 kg nitrogen, if you compare with the urea contains 46%. 46% means if you are taking the 100 kilo urea, you will get only 46 kg of nitrogen. That nitrogen, how it makes, that is also from atmosphere. Nitrogen is available in the atmosphere about 80%. That has been taken by the in factory and they convert it in urea with the help of our nitrogen and this your petroleum product, crude oil or gas. But this rhizobium bacteria doesn't require any other thing. They directly take nitrogen from the atmosphere and fix in the your roots zone. When you are giving the bacteria, rhizobium bacteria, with the seeds, with the irrigation, it enters in the root of the plant and there it forms the small nodules. So that nodules, if you crush it, if you are getting the red color inside, it means it is a nodule, it contains rhizobium bacteria and it is active, it is fixing the nitrogen. If you are getting the white water inside, it means it is nematode, disease. Rhizobium give you pink color, just like our blood color, same thing. That's why we called it hemoglobin. And it, as it is present in the root zone, that we call the leg hemoglobin, because it is present in the roots. Leg means root in the plant. So if you are getting these nodules in the field, it means no need of any urea, because urea, when you are putting 100 kg of urea, 2 bag of urea, it evaporates, it leaches out with the water. Hardly you are getting 30 kg of nitrogen per hectare, maximum 40 kg, not more than that. Rest you have lost. But when you are using liquid waste decomposer, there you are getting the rhizobium natural and it is forming the roots. So that fixes the nitrogen inside the root and it is easily uptake to the plant. So that is the difference. So that's why I am telling, when you are using this our waste decomposer, no need of this bacteria, rhizobium. Then again they have confirmed Azotobacter. So Azotobacter, that is also found nitrogen fixing bacteria. What it do? They fix 30 kg nitrogen per hectare. But here it is a one thing, Azotobacter very much dependent on the availability of the carbon source. If your soil is rich, carbon is more than 0.5%, it means nitrogen fixation is more. If it is less, nitrogen fixation is less. If it is again above to 1%, so nitrogen fixation will be high. 30 kg nitrogen then you will get. Otherwise you will get 10 kg, 5 kg, depends upon the carbon source. That's why we are putting some manure. So when manure is present, it is fixed more nitrogen. Other bacteria they have confirmed, it is Azospherium. Azospherium is very much required for your paddy crops, sugarcane crops, vegetables. And specialty of this bacteria, it enters in the root zone. It is present in the root only. It enters in the, just like rhizobium, and fix the nitrogen inside. How much fixing? 40 kg, maximum 40 kg nitrogen bag, means more than 2 bags of urea. It fixes. Urea has a loss, but here is no loss. And cost is also very. So when you are using it, you are getting that bacteria. Fourth bacteria they have confirmed, phosphorous solubilizing bacteria. What is phosphorous solubilizing bacteria? Because it solubilizes the bacteria which are present, which the phosphorus which present in the low grade in the soil. Whatever the phosphorus we are putting through chemicals, 80% fix in the soil. Only 20% plant uptake. Plant uptake, how it is? Ionic form. Otherwise it will not uptake. So when you are putting the phosphorus, it makes the chain, tight chain with the soil, because other ions are there that is combined with this phosphorus and it make a chain and is not able to break it. It breaks only with the organic acid which is produced by the bacteria. So that's why it is important that bacteria present in the waste decomposer. So this liquid waste decomposer contains your phosphorus bacteria, so that helps in uptake. It stabilizes the phosphorus from the soil or chemical whatever you have put, or if you chemical you have not put, you have put the waste. Suppose you have a sugarcane waste, you have your banana waste, that all contains phosphorus. All the waste where phosphorus is present, it release. That is why the waste decomposer is important. No material is available to the plant, to the crop, without decomposition, without changing its forms. People just say waste decomposer is for the waste composting, and lot of known and I can say educated, non-educated are just debating it, telling it is for this purpose only. It is wrong. They are putting the wrong concept. Waste decomposer is for everything, because we all know anything, if it is not decomposed, if the material is not released, it is not available to the anyone. Leave it for the crop. Talk about our body. When we take the food, it goes inside, it digests. Digest means decompose. All the food decompose in small particles, and then your nutrition is available to the body. Similarly, what inside is happening with the help of bacteria, with the help of organic acid produced by bacteria. Our body also contains more than 130 million trillion tons of bacteria. That helps in our body. Similarly, in the soil, that is our also contains all the bacteria. So if it is in the soil, they do the work. If it is not in the soil, you have to use from outside. Here it comes the role of our waste decomposer. So waste decomposer just simply breaks everything and make it available to the plant. So when you are using waste decomposer, phosphorus bacteria reach inside, and that helps solubilizing the phosphorus, and it gives very high phosphate. So it 20 kg, 30 kg, 40 kg per hectare you will get. So it more also, if you are using some external any other thing, rock phosphate or other thing, that also fixation is less and it make available. We all know rock phosphate, simply if you use phosphorus is not available up to 2 months. There it require your waste decomposer. Next bacteria is again confirmed, phosphorus, then potash mobilizing bacteria. Potash mobilizing bacteria, it is my bacteria. It is my invention in 2000, and now people are using it. Same bacteria is present in waste decomposer. That has been confirmed by the ICR. What phosphorus do? It also again release. It release lot of organic acid and make it available to the plant in all your ionic form. Whatever phosphorus you are putting, again in the chemical form or other form, it again fix 80%. So this bacteria just get it release all the phosphorus, potash from the soil and make available to the plant. So this nitrogen is there, phosphorus is there, potash is there. All the three bacteria are there that are known the biofertilizer. So when this all bacteria is present in one product, that's why I am telling don't take any biofertilizer from outside. Either it is NPK from outside or your single bacteria from outside, any form, powder form or liquid form, no need of anything, because it has been confirmed that these are present, and it is also confirmed in our laboratory and data we have shown in the video, individual video, Azospherium video, Azotobacter video, PSM video, fluorescence bacteria, a lot of video I put inside. So that confirm all these bacteria. So why I am telling you, because people are repeatedly asking, please tell the name of bacteria. So this bacteria is present inside, and you can also test it. It is open thing, but again I repeat, lot of bacteria is inside, which are any laboratory is not able to trace it out, not able to isolate it. That is the secret, and that will I will disclose you later on. That will go directly to the farmers, because this is the property of farmers. Farmers will enjoy it. They will produce their own. I have already repeatedly told you, and that I am rigid on my promise that I will give it. So, when you are using this liquid waste decomposer, no need of any biofertilizer from outside. The people who is giving the confusion, you take the bacteria, it will not multiply. Again, I have already clarified, this is the mother culture. Nobody is selling mother culture in the market. If you go purchase mother culture, is very high, costly. That you are getting in very cheap rate. And this mother culture technology is there. It multiplies with the help of jaggery in the field. No need of any structure. And again I tell, if you have any doubt, after multiplying, test it. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, test it. You will find this bacteria what I am mentioning it. So it is presented there. That's why no need of any biofertilizer from outside. It is enough. And the people who are selling the capsules, they are selling the other form, that is also not required. Why it is not required? That I will confirm. I will give the logic. Because lot of people have asked me, they have shown me NPK capsule, and some they have shown me other capsules, rhizome capsule, azotobacter capsule. So that I will tell you what is inside and why it is not able to multiply, and that is evidence. Now I believe I have given you some information, and you will take care of it and enjoy with the liquid waste decomposer its results. Dhanyavad.